So over here you can see that I have two video clips, and one of them is a video clip of two people right here. And what CapCut can help you do is, even if you don't have a green screen, what you can do is you can go around and then make a cutout by detecting out the people right here that you have on the video clip. So to do that, once you select out the video clip, you can go around onto cutout section right here. And what you can do is you can go around and enable cutout. Once you do that, what happens is that it says cutout is being applied. So it does take a while because it analyzes out the video on what needs to be cut. So you can see that this is fairly a short clip, so it does not take too much time. But what happens is that if it is long, then it might take longer. And you can see that once the cutout is turned on, the background of this video has been removed and only the people are seen, and this is the final result, as you can see right here. It may not be perfect, but it does give a good effect, as you can see right here, a quick effect, and it simply removes out the background right here. So for interesting effect right here, let's say for example I'm going to go around and keep it right here, you can see that the background has been removed out right here from this video clip right here. You can turn the cutout off or on right here again, and once you turn that back on again, then it does not reprocess it because the data is already there. And that is how you can utilize the cutout option inside of CapCut to remove backgrounds in video clips with portraits in them. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.